Hey, what's up y'all? Here's a real basic way to make tapered table legs using just 2 tools. 3 if you count the coffee.
No jigs, no machines, and no problems. You can do this late at night without a noise complaint from the neighbors. I'm going to taper these 2 inside faces. Some prefer to taper all 4 sides. Decide what you want to taper down to, 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch, or an inch. I'm going with 1 inch, which is also the width of the beam of my square. How tapered you make it is up to you. I think tapering off about 1/2 inch is a good ballpark. This square is what will remain after removing the waste. Mark a starting line below the mortise for any faces being tapered. Next, lay a straight edge between both of the points and mark it out on opposite faces of the leg. If you don't have a long straight edge, you could also just use one of the other table legs. With the first taper laid out, it's time to remove the waste. The bulk of the waste gets removed with either a scrub plane or a saw. I like to use this panel saw. It's only 7 points per inch, so not really the fastest, but I keep pretty minimal set on the teeth, meaning the kerf is pretty tight. As you can see, it's not too much wider than the saw plate, so I can stick close to the line and not have all that much planing to do afterwards. I flip the leg periodically, cutting from both sides to help keep the cut square. Next, I start working with a hand plane to remove the saw exit bump and the saw marks, making sure to stay below the pencil line I marked earlier. These saw marks are coming off evenly. If I notice saw marks coming off of one side but not the other, I check to make sure that I'm not planing out of square. After the first taper is planed up nice and straight, mark out the second taper. It might be advised to saw parallel to the bench here since the vise can't really get a good grip, but this works alright for me. The second side goes a little bit quicker as there's less wood to cut through. Now to plane up the second taper, really can't use the face vise on the bench. It's just not secure. There's too big of a gap. So I lock it into a bench dog using my inset vise. By the way, this inset vise is an easy retrofit. An even cheaper and easier option is called a Wonder Dog. All you need are dog holes and you have a way to secure boards to the bench top for planing. I tried limping along for quite a while with just a planing stop and a doe's foot, and trust me, it sucks. So again, I plane off the bump where the saw made an exit, and then I plane down the leg and take off all the saw marks. And just like that, end up with a nicely tapered leg, and at this point it's really a good idea to take off the sharp edges on the 4 faces and also at the bottom of the leg so that no wood breaks out. Take it easy y'all, and I'll see you on the next one.